Comparative financial statements. The comparative financial informations where the amount and other disclosure from the prior period are included for the comparison with the financial statement for the current period. But if the audited or referred to in the auditor opinion, the level of information included in those comparative financial information are comparable with that of financial statement of the current period. So what is that saying? It's saying that financial year 12-13 should be compared with 11-12. Financial year 24 25 you are going to do the audit, then what we can do the previous year 23 24 it should be there, all the things should be consistent. So the balance sheet, one can't be Ind AS, one is be normal accounting standard, it's not, everything should be comparable. This year Ind AS, no, previous year also should be Ind AS. So this year I am not availing Ind AS means my eligibility 3 years I am no, turnover is not an eligibility, then after I'm giving a non-Ind AS. Now the previous year should be a non-Ind AS. Such a way you should give.